Now I'm just going to run you through panels. These are really simple as well. It's these three panels here. That's what I call panels, and these are actually called panels as well. It's funny, now I'll show you how to edit this text here. Obviously the 80 should be the same size as the 700. So they're the two panels that we're going to be editing today. So you're going to log in as admin, follow down to panels, and then again you can see all the previous panels that I already accessed. So let's edit this test panel here. Okay, right now I have it leading on to this page, submenu 1 page. So we might change the page, we'll change the font here, we'll get it to say something else, and we'll change the image also. So log in as admin, go to panels. That one was called test panel. I would advise editing the three panels. Don't bother adding new panels. Just edit the three that are sitting there, because three on its own look way nicer than any more. And if we add a fourth, they'll go out of line. So try and just edit these three. So I'm gonna edit test panel. This is where I change the name of the panel that will be shown here. So let's change it to just panel 222. Okay, so I've changed the name of the panel. It's a static panel, it's not going to keep moving, which is exactly what we want. We're going to change the image. So let's see what we have here. We have people standing around, we have the boys in the classroom, and we have the boys standing around. Let's just change it to the boys in the classroom, okay? Link means which page we're going to link it to. Like I said before, it's a submenu 1. I'm just going to change it to the, I don't know, the contact us page, okay? Again, you can create new pages, and you should be able to, when you add and save a new page, you should be able to find it from this drop down afterwards. So now we're just going to go down here, and you can see its location. The location is home content. We've got a few different locations, but for it to sit right here, it's just home content. And save. I refreshed, and I can see the name that I changed it to. I can see the image that I changed. When I log in here, it should bring me to the contact us page, which it does. Perfect. I'm just going to edit these stats here. Okay, so I'm going to go back. These are considered panels still. Okay, it's just its location is different. But previously it was home content, was the ones I just spoke about. Now we're going to talk about footer. We call them stats, but they are panels. So the first one I'm going to edit is the fields one. It's named again just for back office use. It's not, this fields isn't going to be seen or visible on the front end of the website. The only thing that's visible is this. Okay, now we've got our heading 1. So we're going to change the font to be different. As you can see here, that's tiny. It sometimes takes a bit of playing around with, but to get that nice bold blue, it's heading 2. Heading 2, it's the exact same, and this is just normal. You can edit obviously the headings to get different sizes, but if you see after I change it, it's exactly heading 2. That gives me the nice bold. Now obviously that's too big, so I have to figure out how to make it a little bit smaller. It's just a different font, so I'm just going to figure that out first. Just to troubleshoot it, I just played around with my headings, and so it was actually heading 3 that gave me the kind of smaller blue. Again, if I changed it to heading 2, it'd be the same as the 80, and I could also change that, but now I'm happy with the way it looks on the front. They're all in line together, but I could change them all to look different, so it's just playing around with it really.